If you learned counting numbers in Cantonese before, you'll agree that numbers in Cantonese are quite straightforward, except in some cases. One of the examples is when to use yi or learn. We'll find out more in this video. In Cantonese, both yi and learn refer to two, but they are used in different scenarios. Let's look at yi first. Yi. We usually use yi when counting numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We also use yi in phone numbers. For example, 0411 222 222. Besides, we use yi when referring to ordinal numbers. In my video on learning Canada in Cantonese, I mentioned that we don't have different words for ordinal numbers like first, second, or third. Instead, we just add the character dai in front of the number to represent ordinal numbers. For example, dai yi means second. Yi is used in some nouns too, like 星期二 Tuesday and 2月 February. Now, let's look at learn together. Learn. When we refer to quantities, we use learn with a measure word. For example, 兩日 2 days and 兩次 2 times. Remember, we usually use learn when there are only 2 units, but we use yi when there are more than 2 units. For example, if there are 2 apples, we say 兩個蘋果. But when there are 22 apples, we say 22個蘋果. I'll give you another example. What time is it now? 而家幾點? 而家幾點? 幾 here means how much or how many. If it's 2 o'clock, we answer 2點. If it's 12 o'clock, we answer 12點. Interestingly, 兩 can also refer to indefinite number in some cases. For example, 俾我講兩句. 俾我講兩句. Let me say a few words. Instead of translating it as 2 sentences, 兩句 here means a few words. Before we finish, let's do a quick test to see if you can tell when to use yi or learn. Second floor. That's right, we used yi here as is an ordinal number. For example, 間超市喺2樓. 間超市喺2樓. 2 years. That's right, we should use 兩 here to show the quantities of 2 units. For example, 我等咗2年啦. 我等咗2年啦. Second year. That's right, we should use yi here as is an ordinal number. For example, 今年係我喺呢間公司度第2年. 今年係我喺呢間公司度第2年. Can you think of any other examples? Comment down below and share with us. That's all for now. If you'd like to learn more about Cantonese, please check out my other videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!